Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah. If you guys don't know already, that felt really weird. This video is inspired by a YouTuber. Her name is Cheung. It's something inspired by Beyonce's makeup artist. I guess he just reestablished it. It's called the Boy Bee. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically embracing your natural features, your flaws, your dark circles, anything that you may have. Is just embracing that, not to be ashamed of it. So we're not going to be using any foundation, no concealer. Sarah Chang's video is a lot more different than mine. Her version is more of a matte finish. Me, I like a little bit more dew into my skin because I just love the dewiness. But if you like the more matte side, you can go on over and watch her video. I have nothing on my skin right now. The very first thing that you really want to take care of, you have to prep the skin properly. Make sure, since you're not wearing any foundation, you're not going to be covering anything. So with skincare, try to make your skin look as good as possible. So I'm going to be using a toner from Lush. This is the Aroma Water. I'm just going to apply that all over the face. A toner is pretty much just to balance out your skin, which makes your skin feel very happy. Just keeping it balanced. It won't keep your skin too dry. If your skin is dry, it won't keep your, it'll balance out your oils if you get too oily, you know what I mean? So yeah. Oh my god, my baby hairs. Okay, we got the baby hairs under control. So we are going to apply a face oil or a serum. I feel like the Ole Henrik's True Serum is good for all skin types because I use this myself. I'm gonna rub it into my hands and I'm gonna press it into the skin so that it can really get into the pores. When you wake up in the morning, sometimes you realize that you have a little bit of puffy eyes, so I'm gonna use the Milk Cooling Water Stick. This is amazing for puffiness, it helps with inflammation. So I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god, and it's so good and refreshing. It feels like it's been in the fridge, but that's how cold it is. Next up, we are going to be, this is the only moisturizer that I have at the moment. This is the Drunk Elephant Protein Cream. This is awesome though too. I feel like it keeps me hydrated. It says it's firming and it helps with texture. And don't forget the neck. And you want to, when you're applying your foundation on your neck, you always want to move it upwards because it's gonna help with firming that area instead of dragging it down, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do that. Look, I'm already looking nice and glowy. I am fucking loving it. I'm going to use eye cream. This is very important because your ass is not wearing any concealer, so you need some hydration. You need something that's gonna brighten under the eyes. For the eye cream, I would be using the Ole Henrik's Banana Bright Eye Cream. This stuff is amazing. I see a major difference the moment you put it on, and I'm just gonna put that right where those dark circles are. Same thing, you want to pat, try not to rub. I still rub because it's just a bad habit. You're going to pat this on top of the lid as well because this area can tend to get oily or dry. So you just always want to keep your eyes nice and hydrated. You're going to do your brows however you want. If you just want to apply brow gel, go ahead. If you want to apply your brows, apply your brows. I applied my brows already. We can go ahead and use the tinted brow gel from Anastasia. This one is in chocolate. I'm gonna contour a little bit around the eyes with an eyeshadow because I want to, it's gonna sound weird, I want to accentuate the darkness that I have in my eyes. So I don't really know what it is. It just makes me feel complete. It gives me like a really sultry look and it just makes it look kind of dead, and I just like it. I like the look. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just feel like it brings a little bit of color to me. I'm gonna use the Sephora Warm palette, of course, and I'm gonna go in with this shade and mix it with this one or this one. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just gonna mix a couple shades just to get like that perfect medium tone brown. So I'm just gonna apply this like on the lash line. I'm gonna go into a smaller blending brush, Morphe R39, and with that same brown color, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. And then with a clean Sephora airbrush crease brush, I'm just gonna blend in any harsh line because I don't want anything to have a lot of definition. I just want everything to look really blended and natural. I'm gonna use a light color in a corner. I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade right here and this beigey one in the inner corners. So I'm gonna use the Sephora long lasting kohl pencil in deep brown. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in the waterline. If you want to do a liner, probably go for like a brown or a dark brown. A black would be a little too harsh. Let's apply a little bit of primer. This is the Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer from Origins. This stuff is amazing. I mentioned it in one of my hauls. It comes out as a mousse. It's also a cooling product, so it would be an amazing team with the Milk cooling primer. Cooling water. The cooling water is more like for skincare and this is more of a primer, but it still has skincare benefits because it is from Origins. So I'm just using this to minimize any pores that I may have, smooth out any texture, but it doesn't have any color in it. So the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit, and I'm just gonna apply tons of this because I just need something that's gonna make my eyes look a little more awake and open. And boom, look at the difference. Mascara makes a huge difference. It opens up your eyes and makes them look a little bit more flirty. So next I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia liquid highlighter. So I think the liquid that I got is Peach Fuzz, and I'm just gonna put that on the top of the cheekbones. With my little fan brush, I'm gonna dip in to MAC Pigment and Tan. I'm just gonna dab that right on top of the liquid highlight that I used. Oh, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia contour palette. I mixed all the brown shades. I'm going in with my Sephora multitasker blush. And if I feel like I put a little bit too much, I take a clean angled brush and I just blend it out because I feel like I did put a little bit too much. Okay. Next up is blush. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever blush. I'm gonna put it like right here, and I'm gonna blend it in with that contour. And this blends like a dream. I love it. I show you guys how to do freckles in my how to wing liner video. So I'm just gonna speed through this. If you guys want to learn how I do it, you can just check it out. I'll put a link somewhere in this video. Okay, so I drew on my freckles. So cute. First I'm gonna moisturize my lips with my Laneige sleeping mask. This stuff is great. It smells like a pink Starbucks, a pink Starburst. Next up, I will be using my Tom Ford Lip Slick. This is in the color Spiked Cherry. It's just a nice little roller ball, and you roll it up and it gives you a beautiful tint of pink. Let's see, let me show you. See that? Oh, this is so freaking cute. And for an extra shine, of course, we cannot forget the infamous Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Put that on top for a little extra shine. Heavenly. We are all done with the look. What do you guys think about it? You thought it was easy, something quick and easy that you can do every single day. Do you feel confident wearing something like this outside? I want you guys to try it. For those who mainly wear a lot of makeup or just wear makeup on a daily basis, they really love the full glam. Maybe switch it up a bit. Try to see, you know, let your skin breathe. This is pretty much what this look is, letting your skin breathe, but you're still embracing your beautiful flaws. You are enhancing your features that are already beautiful, my eyes, my lips. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep up with me. I post a lot more on Instagram, and I keep you guys updated of what I'm gonna upload next or when I'm gonna upload. So I'll leave my Instagram somewhere over here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. It really, 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 really helps me out. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.